Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Rida Fatma, the Assistant Committee Director for United Nations Security Council at BTSC MUN 6 this year. The committee this year was amazing. We had a very fruitful debate and made sure the delegates had a good experience with it. And I would like to thank the management for their amazing support to all of the DS members, and I had a lot of fun.
I've been a part of BTSC MUN since the past 3 years, and this year I'm a part of BTSC MUN as an ACD. I am really proud to say that the management team, the volunteers, everything is at BTSC MUN has been amazing.
Everything is going perfectly fine, especially the management, the volunteers, the assistant committee directors are awesome.
Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is me Abdullah Siddiqui. I am here at BTSC MUN edition 6. This is my second time with the conference, and every time I come back at BTSC, it feels like home. The MUN culture here is really well organized. Every delegate is well prepared, well researched. The quality of debate is really nice, and the final resolution paper and how the committee ends. I'm so excited to be here, and thank you so much BTSC for having me for the second year. Thank you.
It's so good to see those little diplomats working with such passion and commitment. Inshallah, looking forward to have a productive and constructive debates. Best of luck, delegates.
So far, it has been a very innovative and a creative session. The chairs, ECDs, all the DICE members plus the management are very good and very helpful. Everybody is helpful. I would recommend all those students that haven't participated in the MUN before or aren't participating this time should have participated, since it would have been helpful for them in their future. That's it.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Abir over here, and I am chairing PNA committee for the 6th edition of BTSC MUN. BTSC MUN has been a very special thing to me because I was the part of its editions, and it makes me super proud to see such young children speaking with arguments and debates. So yeah, thank you so much BTSC for organizing such kind of events, because this is something that boosts the confidence of the young generation.
I'm Mohammad Shafi Habib. I'm an advocate practicing law at Lahore High Court. When we came here as chairs, we saw that the children, they are very enthusiastic, they are energetic, and they wanted to debate. We checked the level of the delegates, we checked that what the management was providing us, we checked that whether they have ticked all the boxes, and this is what a chair can expect from any MUN, especially in Lahore.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Musa bin Sajjad, and as you can see, I'm a delegate of committee FIFA. I had really fun in it. I learned how to debate correctly, I learned how to communicate correctly, and I learned a lot of things. I had really fun and I enjoyed the events of MUN.
So far, my second day has been just as great as the first. I have learned so many skills such as quick thinking and debating, which will hopefully help me in my career.
जिंदगी में ये बंदा है, सिर्फ ये सोचा था कि काश नहीं कहेंगे। अब काश कहना, आप एट द एंड ऑफ योर एज आपको लगता है काश वो कर जाता।
My name is Dr. Shahzaid Naeem and I'm currently working at a well-known hospital in Lahore. I'm so impressed by their passion, by their preparations and by their speeches. My committee is preserving so well and they are moving on towards now draft resolution. This management and this team is so amazing. They hosted this event so well and I'm so glad to be the part of final day at MUN BTSC.
देखना चाहे तू अगर मेरी उड़ान तो ऊंचा कर आसमान। अस्सलाम वालेकुम ख़वातीन व हज़रात, मेरा नाम मलिक सुदैस असलम है और मैं बतौर स्पीकर पाकिस्तान कौमी असम्बली अपने फ़राइज़ सर अंजाम दे रहा था। जहाँ तक बात करें कमेटी की तो बड़ी हीटेड और माशाल्लाह बहुत ही टैलेंटेड बच्चे बहरिया टाउन ऑर्चर्ड कैंपस के थ्रू हमें इस कमेटी में मिले हैं और अब तक बहुत ही उम्दा डिबेट का मुजाहरा जो है डेलीगेट्स ने किया है। आई हैव नेवर विटनेस्ड सच अ स्मूथ कॉन्फ्रेंस in my career. I'm doing MUNs from back in 2016 और ये तब से मामला जो है वो चलता आ रहा है और ये वाहिद कॉन्फ्रेंस है जिसको एग्जीक्यूट किया है मैंने अपनी कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए, APS MUN के लिए।
BTSC MUN was a very nice experience. ठीक है, बहुत मज़ा आया यहाँ पे। हर कोई, it was a very close knit family. It felt like tradition and everybody is valued here. And ये one of those experiences है जो कि मैं आइंदा कभी भूलूंगा नहीं अपनी ज़िंदगी में. And I am really grateful for BTSC for having me here and I hope to come here again next year.
Hi, this is Hamad Ahmed and it was my absolute honor to be as a committee chair at United Nations Developmental Programme at BTSC MUN this year. And trust me, it was the wonderful MUN I have ever attended. just because of the management, the hospitality, the way they are treating their chairs and the desk members. So definitely I believe that the Bahria Town School has arranged this wonderful event, and the students they have prepared for it are absolutely amazing.
कहानी आगे बढ़ने लगती है तो डर लगता है कि कहानी खत्म हो जाएगी, मगर हम कोई कहानी नहीं हैं, हम कसीदा हैं जो आने वाली नस्लों को पढ़ाया जाएगा, लिखा जाएगा और सुनाया जाएगा। हमने बहरिया टाउन स्कूल के 6ठे एडिशन में अपने MUN के सफर का एक छठा बाब लिख दिया है, और ये बाब इंशाअल्लाह मॉडल यूनाइटेड नेशंस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस के आसमान पर हमेशा चमकता रहेगा। आपसे मुलाकात होगी इंशाअल्लाह अगले साल, इस उम्मीद के साथ कि हम मजीद तैयारी के साथ आएंगे और आप लोग इसी तरह हमारा इस्तकबाल करेंगे, हमें पढ़ेंगे, हमें सुनेंगे और हम सब मिलकर इस मॉडल यूनाइटेड नेशंस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस का नक्शा पाकिस्तान में मजीद बेहतर करेंगे। अपने डायरेक्टर जनरल शाहजेब खानजादा को दीजिए इजाजत। अल्लाह हाफिज।